Hey, I'm Jack Hillier, and welcome to Dinner Roulette Pro. In this series, I'll walk you through the tool step by step, feature by feature, so dinner comes down to 3 easy moves: spin, shop, and cook. Let's jump in. So, what is Dinner Roulette Pro? It's a decision engine, the fastest way to answer what's for dinner tonight and get on with your evening. Most apps drown you in 1,000 recipes. That's not help, that's decision fatigue. Dinner Roulette Pro gives you one clear choice at a time, no endless scrolling. Stressed? Brain running on ADHD or neurodivergent wiring? That's exactly who it's built for. We carry the mental load. And when your tank's empty, safe mode strips it down to low effort recipes. It's 3 steps: spin, shop, cook, spin the wheel, land on a real recipe. Send the ingredients straight to Instacart or grab them yourself. Then cook real food at home tonight. And there's more when you want it: deep nutrition, weekly meal planning, and a place to save and share the recipes you love. That's a wrap on this one. If it helped, subscribe so you catch the rest of the series. And when you're ready to skip the dinner debate, the link is in the description. I'm Jack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.